या सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द कलेक्टर लाइट। आज का वीडियो थोड़ा अलग है एंड टुडे वी विल बी अनबॉक्सिंग दिस। वेट अ सेकेंड, वी विल बी अनबॉक्सिंग दिस। अब आप पूछेंगे ये क्या है। तो मेरा एक दोस्त है, ही सेंट मी दिस एज अ बर्थडे गिफ्ट, एज अ क्रिसमस गिफ्ट, एज अ न्यू ईयर गिफ्ट, आप जो भी बोल सकते हो। So yeah, he got me this. So let's unbox it together and see what he got us. First thing that you will notice that he gave it in a beautiful wooden frame. So he also is a Hot Wheel collector. So I think maybe, maybe let's see. Okay, so let's start unboxing it. Okay, my bad. So yeah, कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा फ्रेम दे दिया उसने, मेरे फ्रेम में एडजस्ट नहीं हो रहा है ये। ओके, सो आई वांट you guys to have a look at first. Okay, so are you guys ready? So yeah, and now I will be looking. Damn. Okay, nice. So let's see what he got us. First of all, let's start from the pretty basic one. It's a fantasy casting later crater from the Hot Wheel reverse rack mini series. I like the color actually. The base is very good. Okay, let's check it out. We'll save the best for the last. Okay, this Pagani Utopia from the Peak Pursuit series in a beautiful blue color. Then he got us, oh my god, actually guys, मेरे पास red Ferrari नहीं है. So I'm very happy that he got me a beautiful red Ferrari. मेरे पास सिर्फ येलो फरारी ही था. जब रेड फरारीज आया, I was not able to get, not even a single one. So I'm very glad he got me this, and actually my favorite Ferrari model. I love the Ferrari F40. Such a good friend I got. He got me this beautiful Peugeot Hypercar. I love the livery on this. It's very funky looking, right? Yeah. Then we got the Gordon Murray in a beautiful sea green color. The details are pretty good. We will be unboxing it. And lastly, I hope most of you guys can recognize it. It's a treasure hunt. You can see here, this is the treasure hunt logo. It's a regular treasure hunt, not a super treasure hunt. Super treasure hunt has a golden flame inside. In this one, it has a silver one. Just give me a second. As you can see, can you guys get a little glimpse? Yeah, the silver flames. Yeah, so yeah, he got me a treasure hunt also. I will not unbox it, but the rest of it I will unbox it for sure. So this is all he got me, and yeah, so this is all he got me, including the treasure hunt. This is my favorite. This is it for today, guys. If you want to see the unboxing of all these castings, so do let me know, and do like, do subscribe. I tried a little bit different content. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.